상대의 모순을 보았을 때 어떤
When you
사람들은
see flaws in other people, some people shut their mouths and take it as their study, while others try to point it out and kindly try to correct the flaws they see in others, thinking that it would be beneficial to them. I want to ask you how to treat people correctly when we see flaws in them. Tell them, mind your own business. You are doing it wrong if you try to teach others when you see their flaws. Are the flaws that you see in others really their flaws? Maybe heaven is testing you, or they are acting out so that you would learn a lesson from it. How would you know this and ask them to correct themselves? People who are well equipped do not meet people who have flaws. A well equipped person does not even get close to people with flaws. When you see flaws in others, this is for you to see and learn from it.
이걸 가지고 내 공부하라고 한 거지. 이걸 저 사람한테
It does
알리라고
not
한 게
mean
아니에요.
you should teach them. What your counterpart is doing right now may seem flawed to you, but it may look different to God. God is saying, there you go, buddy. You are doing it well. Do some more.
이러고 있는 거예요.
That is what he is saying. People are mistaken about this. Mind your own business. How dare you try to teach others? If something seems contradictory to you, you still have far more to study. You don't have a right to teach someone. When you can cherish someone who acts a little short in front of you, you would not see them as someone with a flaw anymore.
내가 그걸 모순으로 보이지 않아요. 모르는 걸 오해하란 말이야.
How can you blame their ignorance?
그걸 아끼고
If you can cherish and embrace their ignorance, you will not perceive their actions as flaws anymore. Depending on your perspective, you can either point out their flaws or you can embrace them.
그런 환경이 되는 거예요. 그건 네한테 달린 거죠.
It is up to you.
상대가 잘못한다라고 보지 말고
Before you blame others, try to understand what made them act that way
그래서 그 사람을
and observe if there is any other way you can help them.
이래 하면서 상대를 아껴야
This is what you should do to care for others.
상대는 모순이 있으니까 내가
If you teach them to fix their flaws, then it makes you gain the upper hand over others. That's why you keep seeing others' flaws.
모질하는 사람이
A person with a flaw criticizes other people's flaws.
이걸 이해할 줄 알아야.
A fulfilled person knows how to embrace others.
그러니까 이제는 상대가 하는
So do not judge others' actions as flawed.
세상에는
There are no flaws in the world.
누구한테 누가 생각할 때
It is your own idea to judge something as flawed.
지금 자기가 할 자리에서 자기가
People
하는
take
행동이
action in their own place for their own reasons. It is wrong to judge them as flawed.
누구도
If you blame others' actions as flawed in a certain environment, then you have a problem to deem it as a flaw.
앞으로 이런 것들도
We should study this correctly from now on.